folks, welcome to Mr. McStache's channel. I can't even say it, it's going to be good. Standing with me is a guy named Sgt Tim. If you do not know who Sgt Tim is, you've obviously never heard of Rolling Thunder.
Oh, you didn't know?
The ride that everybody loves to talk about that is no more, well, it now is again. Sgt. Tim, would you please tell me about this?
Well, the AMVETS, American Veteran Service Organization, saw the need for Rolling Thunder continue because it's a voice for so many families, for all of those that never came home, and especially for the men and women being sit down range now. It's like a blanket of security for them that we will not let the government not forget them. And so the AMVETS continue the ride, and it's Memorial Day weekend. We honor our loss, so we're going to be honoring Prisoner War Misconduct Awareness and veteran suicide. The ride's going to be exactly like it's been the last 32 years. It was created by amazing Vietnam veterans, and now the AMVETS are going to do it.
Where can we learn more about the organization?
Well, the AMVETS, amvets.org, and you can learn all about the AMVETS. And it's actually very important for all Americans to go to that website because there's some great training on it that you can learn to understand veterans more and see what the indicators that could lead to suicide are and know how to intervene and be there for your veteran. You say welcome home, you say thank you for your service. Well, citizens, we can serve too. And even me as a Marine, I've taken that training and it's really opened my eyes. Not only to veterans that are struggling, but citizens, because we care about everyone. And also go to rollingtoremember.com and you can register for the ride to learn all about the ride.
So thank you, Sgt. Tim. Thank you, one, for your service. Thank you for the day you were selfless and showed to honor your people and jump out there and stand with your salute for hours and hours and sun and rain. And thank you for all you've done to us. There you go, folks. We'll put links to all that stuff in the comments below. Thank you, Sgt. Tim, from the IMS Center, Mr. McStache, and we took you there.
And like that, and like that, and then like that.